Okay, here we go, part 2. As you can see, we got COM. We're connected. Now we're going to go ahead and see if we can discover devices. We only have one device on our network, so we're going to go ahead and just connect. Oh, it's asking for device instance, being that this is BACnet. So we're going to go ahead and just discover devices. Let's see what devices we can pull up. It's taking a few seconds to pull up. Alright, so there it is. PIU 0203. Now, some of the things that I like to do when I come into these devices, I like to do a physical point-to-point. Let's look at the data points. So here's all my analog inputs, right? So now I'm looking at an airflow of 83 CFMs, a discharge air temp of 56.6. That room set 0.9%, and the room temp is 77 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and take my my temp sensor, my sensing device, to see if it's as accurate. Alright, let's look at the position of my, let's look at my binary inputs. Alright, the heating valve is open, the supply air damper is, okay, let's look at the actual analog values themselves, the binary values. And basically, I am going, first of all, I'm going to see if I can shut this heating valve. See if I can shut the fan on. I like to do a manual check before I start testing sequences. Okay, fan on. Alright. You heard that click? You can hear that sound. My fan came on. So now I know that I do have manual control of the fan. Let's see if I got a status on that fan. I'm going to go to the binary inputs to see if the status responds also. Well, for these VAVs and these PIUs, there was no status given out. So, having said that, we're going to go ahead and cut that fan off. We know that that portion of the program works. Alright, let me go into analog values. Well, we're going to go ahead and relinquish control. So now it's back to manual, it shuts off. I'm going to go down to the analog values. And I'm going to see what's the position of that supply air damper. Because once again, I haven't really gotten to the sequence testing yet. I like to do a physical check of the actual DDC devices. So the supply air damper is at 100%. And that's what it's saying. So, and I'm looking at the analog input. I see that my airflow is at just 81 CFM, but it has a set point, I believe, of 500 at this point. So the discharge air temp is going down to 63. The room temp is 77. I'm going to go up and see what's the deal with this. And I'm probably going to bring my channel locks up there and screwdriver to see what the deal is. So we're going up. As time goes by, I believe that the videos will get better and better. Okay, so the VAV is calling for 100%. It looks like it's at about 100%, but if you can look at the stem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my Allen keys and kind of tweak it and open it all the way. And I'm confident that the air handling unit is running because I shut it on myself earlier. And that discharge, that air temp is at about 65 degrees. Makes a little bit of sense without further verifying in great detail. All right, so let's adjust that. And what else we got going here? Fan comes on. That works. All right, we'll go to part 3 in a second.